Hi everyone, I'm Susan and here's my another video about the most dangerous drug medication. One of the most prominent danger of prescription drug abuse is the risk of overdose. Doctors prescribe a safe dose of the medication and direct their patients on how to take them. But individuals take more than the prescribed dose, mixes them with another substances. Here's the 7 most dangerous drug. Number 1, acetaminophen. These drugs regularly used to treat pain and most dangerous drug on the list because of its potential to cause liver damage, failure, and toxicity. Number 2, benzodiazepines. Anti-anxiety medications that include like Xanax, Valium, Klonopin. Drugs are number 2 on the list because of their high prescription rate. Number 3, antidepressant. Another names, Cymbalta, Prozac, Zoloft. Drugs that are used to treat major depression, mood disorder, and sometimes anxiety disorder. Number 4, opioids. Another names, Percocet, Vicodin. Used to treat moderate to severe pain, or some are prescribed to treat diarrhea and coughing. Number 5, methadone. Methadone is a synthetic analgesic that works similarly to morphine but longer lasting. Number 6, stimulants. Stimulants are number 6 on the list because they are being abused by college students more often for their side effects. Number 7, anabolic steroids. Synthetic or man-made variations of the male sex hormones testosterone prescription drugs that treat hormonal tissues. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye. Thanks. See you on my next video.